What's up guys, it's Caleb here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to build all of the Lego tornado sirens that I put in my town. So let's start off with the EOWS612, then we'll move on to the 3016, then we'll move on to my thunderbolt. The thunderbolt I'm going to be using today to take apart is the one that's on top of the fire station, because I don't really want to take apart the one that's over by my house in the town, because that one was really hard to get to stand up, and I don't want to risk having to spend like an hour trying to get it to stand up again. So we're not going to be using that thunderbolt, but let's get into the video. So first thing you're going to need two 4x4 blocks and two 2x2s. So what you're going to do is basically you're going to take you take two 6x4s, flip it sideways so it's pointing this way, put a 2x2 there, a 2x2 there, and take your 4x4s, put a 4x4 there, 4x4 there. Then you're going to take your other 6x4, flip it upside down, sideways, and you're going to push that on, and then you got the base of the EOWS612. You're going to take some of these disc things, I don't know what they're called, and you're just going to stick them in the holes right there. The outer holes right in this part, not in here, the more the middle ones. Keep doing that. Get all three. This is my 612. I might be eventually making an 812, which that'll be cool. And then you're gonna take just one of these little dot pieces, loosen them this way, sticking them in the middle of the discs. Do that to all of them, like so. There, right there, this one right there, and then we'll put one more right there. And there you go, that's the start of the EOWS612. Then you're going to move on to the rotator box. You're going to take one of these pieces, take one of these rotating pieces like this, circle. You're going to snap it right on there. Make sure it rotates. And you're going to take one of these blocks. These little, like, 1 by 0 blocks that has a little hole on it. Then you're going to take another dot, stick it on the bottom of the square. Like that. I'm going to stick it in the middle, like this. It gives me a while to do this. Just again like that. And I just put this piece there just so it looks good. Then you're going to take this pole thing, turn the EOWS612 around, stick it right in there. So it sticks out like that. You're going to turn your EOWS612 sideways. It's hard to do this one-handed, guys. Actually, we'll do this. Stick the square right there. Stick that. Okay, this is gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna have to put you guys down. So I do that, and you stick it right back in the middle like I showed you. Just like that. And that's how you build the U. And then, mine just broke again. Sometimes you don't want to hit The EOWS612 is like the most delicate one. And after you put it on where you want to put it in your town, you got an EOWS612. Next, we're going to be building the 3016. First, you're going to take one of the square ones that have the little bottom sticking out like that. Then we're going to take one of these, twist it this way, stick the thing into the back piece like that. And I'm going to have to put you guys down to do that. Just like that. And I'm going to take a 4x4, turn it around, you stick little dots in the back right here. I gotta do this two-handed. I need to get something to hold the camera or my phone up when I'm trying to do building videos like this. So you're gonna do that like that. Let me stick the other one in so I can I'll show you guys the rest of what I built, because I could do that one-handed easily. Stick one in there. You just stack 3 up. I don't know why I just got an extra one laying around. I'm gonna stick this piece. Stick it there. I'm gonna stick it right in there. Stick this guy right in there. Then I'm gonna take a 1x1, stick it there. Then I'm gonna take a 1x1 with a flat. I don't know where I found this Lego. It looks kind of like a storm drainer, like vent. I stick it on the back. And then you just build the pole, which I got the pole right here. You stick this piece onto the pole right there. You're gonna do this two-handed. So like there. And then you stick it in the spot you want to put it, and then you got your 3016. Now we're going to do the thunderbolt. Step 1. I'm going to need a round cone piece like this. And I'm going to need a square, 2x2, square like that. Stick it in there, and then you're going to flip it this way. And you just stick the cone piece like so. And I don't know why it's not letting it go in. There. Then I'm going to take another one of these with the little back end and that. And then you're going to take one of these pieces, that another 2x2, stick it on like so. This. And then you're going to have to pop your square piece back off. You're going to take a 3-dot one. And I'm going to do this one-handed. Stick it on the back end. And then you pop the square piece right back on. Take a dot. I think you take the dot. I can't remember how I did that part. Yep, that's exactly what I did. And I took another little dot piece and stuck it there. And there's the thunderbolt. And then I take two cone pieces, little cone pieces for my pole. I flip this upside down. Stick there. Then I'm going to stick it right here on top of the fire station. Just like that. And that's how you build a thunderbolt out of Legos, an EOWS612, and a 3016 with working rotator box. This one, it doesn't rotate very well. This one rotates like a champ. And the other thunderbolt, I don't think you're going to see it very well. That's it over there. Go over to it. My other thunderbolt. It actually has a mini turntable, so it rotates even better than my other thunderbolt that I took apart. I don't have a turntable on this one, but it still rotates pretty well. That's how you build those sirens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, stay awesome and see you guys later.